Hi, my name is Maizatul Syuhadah binti Senwan with matrix number 204564. Today I'm going to share with you about hydroponics. In this video, I'm going to share to you about the introduction about hydroponics, types of hydroponics, how it works, advantages and disadvantages. Hydroponics is a method used to grow a plant without using any soil, but a mineral nutrient solution in aqueous solvent. These are types of hydroponic. The first one is aeroponic, deep water culture, wick system, drip system, NFT, and the last one is ebb and flow system. Let's watch a video on how it works to understand better about hydroponic system.
Let's take a look at the different hydroponic applications that you can try out. 1. The nutrient film technique. In this setup, plants are placed in sloping hollow pipes or channels. Nutrified water is continuously pumped through the channels over the root system. There is no need for additional growing medium like vermiculite or rockwool. The NFT is a closed system that recirculates water throughout the channels by pumping it first to the upper or higher ends of the channels that then flows down the slope. 2. Wick systems. This is one of the simplest hydroponic setups and is perfect for beginners. A reservoir of nutrient-enriched water is placed underneath the plants. There is a wick that extends from the growing medium downwards into the reservoir. The water moves through capillary action from the reservoir into the growing medium and keeps the roots nourished and moist. Little specialist equipment is needed for this design and it is very easy to DIY with some buckets, rope and a drill. 3. Ebb and flow. Also known as the flood and drain system, plants embedded in a growing medium are placed over a reservoir filled with nutrient water. A pump periodically forces the water up into the section housing the plants. The pump is then turned off and the water gradually flows back into the reservoir. This is another simple technique, and apart from the pump and piping, little expert equipment is required for success. 4. Deep water culture. Here, plants are placed in pots with growing media or lightweight covers that float on the water's surface. The plant's roots then grow into the water. A pump oxygenates the water to keep the roots healthy, but apart from that, no other mechanization is required. This makes the deep water culture system great for beginners or DIY projects. 5. Drip systems. This technique makes use of drip lines and a pump that transports water from an underlying reservoir into the growing media encasing the plants above. Usually, a dripper will be allocated to each plant, which allows for the fine-tuning of nutrient concentrations and watering intensity. The water can be recycled, which saves time and money, or it can be siphoned out the system, which maintains the optimal nutrient concentrations in the reservoir. 6. Aeroponics. Here, plants are suspended in the air vertically or horizontally. A pump then delivers a misting of nutrient media to the roots of the plants at scheduled intervals or on a continuous basis, depending on the needs of the plant. This is a more advanced system requiring pumps, misters and timers, among other equipment, and should only be considered by expert growers to make the investment worthwhile.
In doing something, you need to consider the advantages and disadvantages of a system. Let's get into what the advantages and disadvantages of hydroponics. We have come to the end of presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye.